Welcome to my video. Join me on a journey to explore the most advanced forestry technologies and methods, where innovative solutions are shaping the future of the industry. As fast as a steel tornado, the Dipper Fox stump grinder with a 210 horsepower engine can remove 2 to 3 stumps per minute. The smart design allows for on-site stump grinding, saving time, fuel, and minimizing the impact on the surrounding environment. Wow! Witness the impressive Go 4 Feet SG 75 stump grinder. With a 75 horsepower engine, it devours large stumps in the blink of an eye. The sharp grinding disc spins at high speed, handling the job quickly and efficiently, making it ideal for post-logging cleanup. Starting with the Nisula 555C machine, featuring a Volvo 145 engine and the Flex 14 undercarriage system, it delivers exceptional performance in forestry tasks. Equipped with a powerful engine, this flexible undercarriage system ensures stable, durable operation on all terrains, optimizing productivity and work efficiency. Wow! The handheld chainsaw with a powerful 2-stroke engine and up to 5.5 HP can take down massive trees in no time. The power of this engine makes cutting wood fast, efficient, and truly impressive.
Way down there, and another just above that.
A powerful ally in the forestry industry, the Komatsu XT430 wood cutter with its strong engine and outstanding horsepower marks a turning point for the timber industry. Its ability to cut wood efficiently, quickly, and reliably helps optimize work, boost productivity, and reduce costs. Did you know that the Carlton 7015, with its powerful 35 HP engine, is the optimal solution for removing oak stumps? With its outstanding design and powerful wood-cutting ability, the machine ensures quick, efficient processing, delivering exceptional productivity for forestry work. With its strength and outstanding efficiency, the Kobelco stump digger equipped with a 500 horsepower engine easily lifts stumps with ease. The optimized design ensures smooth operation, providing flexibility and excellent performance in all conditions. Oh no, the giant monster mulcher Awi RT800 seems ready to devour a large stump, with its powerful engine and exceptional strength. It operates as if it has a grudge, crushing every obstacle in its path, delivering quick and easy stump destruction. The powerful Svetruck TMF 28-21 is unloading cargo from the Volvo FH12 by 2 timber truck, operating smoothly with its high-powered engine. Its mechanical arms stretch out, gently lifting each timber bundle, showcasing superior performance and efficiency in heavy-duty work. The Savannah Model's 1720 stump puller, towed by the John Deere 1050, operates quickly, helping to recycle the land in a short time. With its powerful engine and modern design, this duo saves effort, enhances work efficiency, and moves with agility, easily handling heavy-duty tasks. The Caterpillar 552 feller buncher with its powerful engine is designed for timber harvesting. Its ability to cut and gather wood quickly helps increase work productivity while reducing effort. The robust design ensures flexibility in all working conditions. With outstanding power, the T659 Kenworth easily navigates through rugged, hilly terrain. Its powerful engine and stable performance allow the vehicle to tackle difficult landscapes with agility, providing safety and high efficiency in all harsh conditions. Looking for an efficient grinder? The Terex Ecotec TBG530 high-speed grinder with its powerful engine operates efficiently, crushing materials quickly and evenly. Its optimized design allows the machine to handle large volumes, saving time and energy while delivering high performance. The FAE biomass harvester, with its powerful engine, flattens the ground wherever it goes. Its efficient working ability allows for quick biomass harvesting and processing, creating a clean surface, ready for the next tasks with ease. The TigerCat 6 35-wheel loader, with its powerful engine, easily transports timber in challenging terrain. Its robust design and flexible mobility allow the machine to navigate rugged landscapes, delivering high work efficiency and minimizing handling time. The John Deere 640H combined with Moderio forms a powerful duo, with an exceptional engine that allows for quick and efficient timber harvesting. Like giant beasts, with their powerful engines, they effortlessly haul large logs, overcoming any terrain challenges with strength and ease. The Printith Panther T16 crawler dumper, with its powerful engine, paired with the willow harvesting machine, efficiently and quickly harvests willow trees. Its ability to move flexibly across challenging terrain helps optimize work, delivering exceptional performance during the harvesting process. With its powerful 36 HP engine, the shredder combined with the vine works efficiently, breaking down materials quickly. The optimized design allows the machine to operate flexibly, saving time and effort in agricultural material handling tasks. Looking for an efficient grinder? The CBI Chipmax 484T, with its powerful engine, excels at processing and grinding large materials. The machine operates smoothly, easily handling heavy workloads, saving time and energy while delivering high performance. The Wood Splitter Model 12, with a powerful 220-volt engine, provides fast and efficient wood splitting. Its sturdy design ensures stable operation, easily handling tough wood logs, saving time and effort in cutting and chopping wood tasks.